Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so the tracker gets reliable data. Enable GPS and high-precision location, and grant camera plus motion permissions. This is why the app can plate solve and overlay stars. Next, calibrate the compass by rotating the device on 3 axes until readings settle. Once done, launch the star tracker and tap Start. The app will begin capturing sky images and matching patterns. Make sure to face an unobstructed sky, because buildings and lights will confuse initial solves. You now perform the core alignment. Trigger the plate solve so the app matches the captured star field to its catalog. This is how it computes your exact sky coordinates. If the first solve is off, use the on-screen crosshair to nudge azimuth and altitude and rescan a slightly different patch of sky. Once residual error drops below about 0.5 degrees, make sure to set your acceptable limit. You can lock orientation, because lock solves prevent drift and allow accurate tracking for pointing or imaging. You finish by starting active tracking and, if needed, enabling auto-guide or periodic resolves so the app corrects tiny drifts. Record observations with timestamps and GPS tags to keep precise logs. This helps later analysis and stacking. If tracking fails, first rerun compass and gyro calibration, then move to a darker sky or clear local obstructions, because light pollution and reflections break solves. If problems persist, perform a manual sync on a known star to reset the model before
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.